In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your FTMO account to cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to ftmo.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. From here you'll need to log into your account or create an account if you don't already have one. But from here, once you get inside of the dashboard, you'll need to go right here. Now, if you don't already have an account that is set to cTrader, you'll need to go up to the new FTMO challenge up here and then create one. Once you get inside of here, you'll need to choose between 2-step or 1-step, the account balance, the payment currency, whether or not it should be a FTMO standard or a FTMO swing account. And from here, you'll need to choose the platform. Now from here, it's very important that you choose cTrader instead of MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4 or cTrader. From here, it'll ask you if you have an already existing cTrader ID, and if you do, you'll just need to write the email of that specific cTrader ID down here so you can directly link it together. But if you don't already have that, you'll just need to click no, and then FTMO will use the specific email that you used to register for an FTMO account. From here, you'll just need to add in your billing information and click I've declared and read the agree, and I declare I read the cancellation, and continue to payment. Once you get inside of here, you'll just need to pay it like you usually would, and then from here you'll receive your account. Now from here, you'll need to go back here to account overview once you have purchased your account, and from here you'll need to go up to a new tab and click in cTrader like so. From here you'll need to go up to log in up here, and from here you'll just need to log in using the specific email account that you have created with FTMO and just your password. From here you'll need to click login and download cTrader onto your desktop. Once you have installed cTrader onto your desktop, it should look something like this, where it's going to ask you to log in again. Now from here you'll just again need to log in and enter your email or cTrader ID and enter the password and click login. Then from here you'll have fully access to cTrader using your FTMO account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!